Hi, this is Mrs. Luther. I'm going to give you a sample of what your child's Edmodo account will look like. So in the top you'll see their name, our school, and our school district. On the left-hand side you'll see our classes and the classes that your child should be signed up for. They should be signed up in social studies, science, language arts, and math. We all use Edmodo in the 6th grade, so please make sure that your child is in the proper classes. At the beginning of the year we do change schedules, so if the teacher does it by periods, make sure that's current so you're getting the most relevant information. And then right here on the left hand side, if you scroll down, is your parent code. This is very important because this is how you're going to attach your account to your child. If you have multiple children, each child will have an individualized code, so make sure you're checking right here, or your child can invite you straight from their account. In this sidebar on the right hand side, you'll see if your child has an assignment that needs to be uploaded to Edmodo, and you can check those out right there if that's necessary. So I'm just going to show you a sample of what one group will look like. This is my class for this year, Social Studies. So at the top you'll see pinned post, and this is access to the online textbook that's going to remain current and relevant all year. So I left that at the top, so if you're absent, you want extra materials, everything you need is right here. And as you scroll down, you'll see day-to-day blurbs and even materials about what we're doing in class, when things are happening, extra work, everything you need to know. Edmodo is a one-stop shop. Each teacher uses it in the content classes, and it's a great resource for you guys to use. I highly recommend using it, just scanning through it every evening with your child and seeing what's coming up and what they need to be doing in class. Homework assignments, all those things are usually attached right here, so it's a great resource for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you tune in to my video on the parent account. Thank you.